Management examined a case study of a city implementing new waste management system. The Philippines analyzed the operational strategies used to improving efficiency, reducing environmental impact, and enhance citizen satisfaction. Introduction. Davao City has implemented a new and compre- comprehensive waste management system designed to promote sustainability and improve the overall cleanliness of the city. The program focuses source segregation and the establishment of materials recovery facilities at the barangay level. This in- initiative aimed to improve efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and enhance citizen satisfaction through activity, community involvement, education, and modernized waste operation. Number one, improving efficiency. To enhance the efficiency of waste management, Davao City adopt several operation strategies focused on reducing waste volume and improving processing system. Resources segregation. Households are required to segregate waste at the source into biodegradable and non-biodegradable and recyclable categories. This reduces the volume of mixed waste that needs to be collected and processed, streamlining the entire waste management process. Material recovery facilities. The city established MRF in various barangays to locally process recyclable and organic waste. This this decentralized approach reduces transportation costs and minimize the load on the city main landfill. Optimize collections routes. Pilot programs is in areas such as Barangay Bukana test efficient collections routes and schedules pre-sorted waste allow for quicker collection and minimize contamination by diverting a significant portion of waste through segregation and recovery. Davao City effectively extend the lifespan of its existing landfill, preventing premature and overcapacity. Two is reducing environmental impact. Davao, Davao City new system emphasizes sustainability and environmental through better waste management practice. Waste reducing. The focus of resources segregation and localized processing significantly reduce the total waste volume reaching the landfill. Pollution prevention. Proper management of waste at its origin helps prevent soil, air, and water pollution, improving overall environmental hygiene. Greenhouse gas reductions. Diverting biodegradable waste from landfill reduce methane emissions, contributing to climate change mitigation. Circular economy potential by recovering value valuable materials locally. Davao City fosters a circular economy where waste is treated as a resources, encouraging recycling and reusing rather than disposable. Number three, enhancing citizen satisfaction. Community engagement play a vital role in the success of Davao City. Waste management program. Community involvement. Mandatory waste segregation encouraging citizens to take an active role in maintaining a clean environment, fostering a sense of shared responsibility and environmental awareness. And training. The city, the cities regularly conduct information drives and training sessions to educate residents on proper waste segregation and disposal. This effort is empower citizens to participate effectively in the program. Local environment, cleaner surroundings, and the reductions of illegal dumping result in a more livable and healthier community for residents. Local infrastructures development. Establishing MRF within barangays not only improving local waste management capacity but also demonstrate the city commitment to improve local infrastructures and public service delivery. Conclusion. Davao City Waste Management System show how proper planning and com- community involvement can create a cleaner and green, greener city through waste segregation, recycling, and education. People work together to protect the environment. This program improves efficiency, reduces pollution, and makes citizens proud and of their city sustainable process.